Stop studying mathematics like it's a mystery. Average students read pop, top scorers study objectives. Choose your category. Hello guys, today I will be sharing some tips about how you can successfully study for JAMB and hit your desired score. JAMB syllabus is the bedrock of every successful exam. Every serious JAMB must take time to thoroughly study the syllabus before opening any textbook. The syllabus is not just a list of topics. It tells you exactly what JAMB expects you to be able to do. One key element in understanding the JAMB syllabus is understanding the objectives of each subject. Take mathematics, for example. The syllabus includes number and numeration, algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. For number bases, the objectives include performing the 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But don't stop at the topics. Under number and numeration, you will see specific objectives. That means JAMB is not just testing theory. They want to see if you can calculate and convert correctly. Once you understand these objectives and practice them properly, you are already positioning yourself to score 80 to 90 in mathematics. If you are serious about mastering JAMB the smart way, subscribe and follow this series. We are studying with direction.